Welcome to our video, Top 5 Rice Alternatives for Blood Sugar Control. Managing blood sugar levels is essential for maintaining good health, particularly for those with diabetes. Diet plays a crucial role in this, and making the right food choices can make a significant difference. Rice is a staple food in many cultures, but it's not always the best choice for those looking to control their blood sugar. Fortunately, there are several nutritious and delicious alternatives to rice that can help you keep your blood sugar in check. In today's video, we'll explore some fantastic rice alternatives that can help you manage your blood sugar levels more effectively. Plus, we'll uncover the truth about brown rice. Is it really as healthy as it's claimed to be? Stick around to find out. But before we start, please take a moment to click the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that bell for notifications so you don't miss any of our latest content. Now, let's get into the details. It's time to discover the top 5 rice alternatives for blood sugar control. Starting our countdown at number 5 is quinoa. This ancient grain has gained popularity in recent years as it is delicious and incredibly nutritious, making it an excellent rice substitute for those looking to manage their blood sugar levels. Quinoa has a low glycemic index, which means it doesn't cause rapid spikes in blood sugar like white rice does. The glycemic index is a measure of how quickly a food raises blood sugar levels after eating. It provides a steady release of sugar levels, helping to keep it stable. This is particularly beneficial for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. One of the reasons quinoa is so effective at controlling blood sugar is its high fiber content. Fiber helps slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing spikes and crashes that can make managing blood sugar challenging. Quinoa also contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein source, which is relatively rare for plant-based foods. A study in the journal Food Research International found that the phenolic compounds of quinoa can strongly inhibit enzymes like A-glucosidase and A-amylase, which helps in lowering blood sugar levels. In addition to its blood sugar benefits, quinoa is packed with other essential nutrients, including magnesium, which is important for insulin regulation, and antioxidants that protect against inflammation and oxidative stress. Next up at number 4 is cauliflower rice. If you're looking for a low-carb, nutrient-dense alternative to rice, cauliflower rice is an excellent choice. Cauliflower rice is made by grating or placing fresh cauliflower into a food processor to produce small, rice-sized pieces. It's naturally low in carbohydrates, making it an ideal option for those looking to control their blood sugar levels. A cup of cauliflower rice contains just a fraction of the carbs found in a cup of white rice, and it is rich in vitamins C and K, folate, and fiber. Cauliflower also contains fiber, which helps slow down the absorption of carbohydrates, which is important for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Moreover, cauliflower contains antioxidants like glucosinolates and isothiocyanates, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and protect against chronic diseases, including type 2 diabetes. A study published in the journal Food Science and Nutrition found that cauliflower is high in sulforaphane, which improves insulin sensitivity and lowers blood glucose levels. Cauliflower rice is easy to prepare and can be used in almost any dish where you would normally use rice. You can sauté it with some olive oil and garlic for a simple side dish, mix it into stir-fries, or even use it as a base for a grain-free pizza crust. Coming in at number 3 is barley. Barley is particularly beneficial for blood sugar control since it falls into the low GI category, 30 GI. Foods in the low GI category cause a slow, gradual increase in blood sugar. Barley is particularly rich in soluble fiber, specifically a type called beta-glucan. Beta-glucan forms a gel-like substance in the digestive tract that slows down the absorption of carbohydrates and helps regulate blood sugar levels. This fiber also promotes a feeling of fullness, which can be helpful for weight management. This grain is also packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including magnesium, potassium, and selenium. A study in the journal Diabetology International found that barley consumption led to significant reductions in postprandial blood glucose levels and improved insulin sensitivity, making it an excellent choice for those managing diabetes or prediabetes. Aside from being a rice alternative, barley's chewy texture and nutty flavor can also make it a great addition to soups, stews, and salads. For a hearty breakfast option, try making barley porridge topped with fruits, nuts, and a drizzle of honey. At number 2 is bulgur wheat. Bulgur is made from cracked wheat that has been parboiled, dried, and then crushed into small pieces. This process makes it quick cooking and easy to incorporate into a variety of dishes. Bulgur wheat also has a low glycemic index, which is beneficial for people with diabetes, as it helps prevent the sudden increase and decrease of blood sugar. One of the standout features of bulgur wheat is its high fiber content. Bulgur wheat provides satiety, which helps you stay full and prevent overeating. Bulgur wheat's low GI is an indication that this rice alternative slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, helping to keep blood sugar levels stable. Additionally, bulgur is a good source of plant-based protein, iron, and B vitamins, which are essential for overall health. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that consuming whole grains like bulgur wheat was associated with a reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. Bulgur wheat may be included in salads, pilafs, and grain bowls. It's also a key ingredient in Middle Eastern dishes like tabbouleh, where it's combined with fresh herbs, tomatoes, cucumbers, and lemon juice for a refreshing and nutritious salad. And topping our list at number 1 are lentils. These tiny legumes are a powerhouse of nutrition and an excellent rice alternative for those looking to control their blood sugar levels. Just like other examples in this list, lentils also have a low glycemic index and are packed with fiber and protein, both of which are important in stabilizing blood sugar levels. Lentils are rich in fiber, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy digestive system. This fiber not only helps prevent spikes in blood sugar levels after meals, but also supports optimal digestion by promoting a healthy gut. Additionally, the protein in lentils helps keep you full and satisfied, which can make it easier to manage your overall calorie intake and support weight management. But that's not all. Lentils are also rich in essential nutrients like folate, iron, and magnesium. Folate supports healthy red blood cell production and improves overall cellular function, which is linked to better glucose metabolism and a reduced risk of cardiovascular issues. Moreover, iron is crucial for maintaining healthy blood levels and ensuring efficient oxygen transport throughout the body. Magnesium, on the other hand, plays a key role in insulin sensitivity and blood sugar regulation. A study in the journal Nutrients found that lentils significantly reduce immediate blood glucose levels and enhance insulin sensitivity compared to starchy foods. Lentils are incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes. They're perfect for soups, stews, and salads, or as a base for veggie burgers. You can also use them to make a hearty lentil curry or mix them with vegetables and spices for a delicious lentil loaf. Now, before we wrap up, let's talk about the truth about brown rice. Brown rice is often considered a healthier alternative to white rice, and in many ways, it is. Unlike white rice, brown rice retains its bran and germ layers, which means it's higher in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. However, it's important to note that while brown rice has a lower glycemic index than white rice, it still has a relatively high glycemic index compared to some of the alternatives we've discussed today. A study in the International Journal of Food Sciences and Nutrition found that brown rice digests more slowly and has a lower impact on blood sugar compared to white rice. This is partly due to differences in their chemical makeup and physical properties. This means that brown rice can still cause a moderate rise in blood sugar levels, especially if consumed in large quantities. Additionally, brown rice contains phytic acid, an anti-nutrient that can inhibit the absorption of certain minerals like iron and zinc. Phytic acid can also reduce the bioavailability of essential minerals, which may be a concern for those who rely heavily on brown rice as a staple in their diet. Another aspect to consider is the presence of arsenic in rice, including brown rice. Arsenic is a toxic element that can accumulate in rice due to its cultivation in water-flooded fields. Brown rice tends to have higher levels of arsenic compared to white rice because the bran layer, where arsenic is most concentrated, is retained. Chronic exposure to arsenic has been linked to various health issues, including an increased risk of certain cancers and cardiovascular disease. However, this doesn't mean you should completely avoid brown rice. It can still be part of a healthy diet, especially when consumed in moderation and as part of a balanced diet that includes a variety of other whole grains and rice alternatives. To reduce arsenic exposure, you can take some practical steps, such as rinsing brown rice thoroughly and cooking it in a larger amount of water, then draining the excess water after cooking. And there you have it, 5 incredible rice alternatives that can help you manage your blood sugar levels effectively. Quinoa, cauliflower rice, barley, bulgur wheat, and lentils. Each of these options offers unique nutritional benefits that go beyond just blood sugar control, making them excellent choices for a healthy, balanced diet. And while brown rice can be a healthier option compared to white rice, it's important to consume it in moderation. Making smart dietary choices is one of the most powerful ways to manage your blood sugar and improve your overall health. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Have you tried any of these rice alternatives? What's your favorite way to incorporate them into your meals? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.